our funded and focused feature. Seeking funding and revenue from government contracts is an important step for businesses seeking to diversify their income. Not all contracts follow the same procurement route. Single source contracts apply below specific thresholds, while competitive procurement applies above them. Understanding these thresholds helps businesses target realistic opportunities instead of wasting resources on bids they're not eligible for. So we want businesses to clarify their current limits and understand how to align bid strategy with contract size. As an example, early on, our client Trevon chased contracts far beyond his capacity. Professional advice helped him focus on single source opportunities first, building revenue and confidence before scaling up.